Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. Welcome to the channel. So you're starting an introduction to Python programming. Well, congratulations. I'm extremely excited for you and I'm extremely excited you're here. So first, let me tell you about the channel. So this video right here is going to be 992. So what do we have? So first of all, we have 88 playlists, and the first playlist I want you to check out is this one right here. It's called Getting Started. And then the next playlist that I want you to do is checking out right here. So it's like tricks, tips and tricks and rules of Python to really help you in your Python journey. But what I really want to talk to you about is how things are going to go for you. So the first few classes that you're going to have this fall is you're going to be super excited. It's going to make super sense, and then all of a sudden you're going to hit a brick wall, boom, and it's just going to fade away and you're not going to get it. Well, it's not you. So typically what happens is the first few lessons are very simplistic, and then all of a sudden the course just leaps forward in this evolutionary jump and expects you to fill in the blanks. Well, that is literally what this channel is here for. So I'm a self-taught programmer, I'm a data analyst at a very large company, and I love Python. I love teaching Python, and I just want to help you on your Python journey. So please make sure you're hitting that like, subscribe button, notification bell, and one more thing to show you that you are absolutely not alone during this journey is also down in the description below is the Discord server. Somebody is, as you can see, somebody is always here. We have a great moderator, an awesome admin who built this page for us, but I just couldn't be more excited, super excited to help. But please make sure you're dropping any comments, questions, video requests, jumping over to Discord, whatever we need to do to get you going on your journey. But as always, guys who've been here, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.